Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink a text or an image or whatever you want to do to another slide in a slideshow. So, for example, here I have a slideshow. It has all my different weekly assignments. It's my agenda for my Algebra 2 class. So if they open this up, that is my child because she's watching Moana. If they open this up and they click on week 1, it's going to go to week 1, or week 2. That way they can just go straight to that week. So you need to make your slideshow however you want. I've just got my little sample slideshow here, and you want to insert a text box or whatever, kind of like I showed y'all in the other video for how to hyperlink something. So I want to insert a hyperlink to go to slide 2. And then I also want to make a link to go to slide 3. So that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, so I want to make it so that you can click here and it takes you to this slide 2, and you can click here and it takes you to this slide 3. So you want to click this box. Once again, you want the whole box to be highlighted. And then if you click this insert link, and instead of typing a website here, you can click this option that says slides in this presentation. So when you click that, you've got a few different options here. You can make it take to the next slide, the last slide, whatever. I want it to go to slide 2. So then I click apply. And I do the same thing over here. I'm going to click this box, insert link, slides, and then I want it to go to slide 3. So now, if they were to open this up, they could go straight to slide 2. It'll take them there. Or if they were to click slide 3, it would take them to slide 3. Now, if you want them to be able to go back to that home screen from the slide, then I always just put a little box that says click here to go back to home screen, or whatever you want to say, whatever that. Make it to where y'all can see this. So then you do the same thing. You just highlight this box, insert link, slides, but you want it to go to slide 1. So now, when you've got this open, if they go to slide 2, there's a link to go back to the main screen so that they can now click on a different one.